Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to reset Schlage Encode Wi-Fi Deadbolt, factory reset, reconnect, and fix offline issues. To reset a Schlage Encode Wi-Fi Deadbolt, you can perform either a full factory reset, which wipes all the codes and the settings, or a simple network-only reset. Method 1. Full factory default reset. Step 1. First, remember, this removes all user codes, virtual keys, and the Wi-Fi settings. Step 2. Remove the battery cover on the interior side of the door. Step 3. Now locate the small, black, circular reset button to the right of the thumb turn. Step 4. Now press and hold the button for about 7 to 10 seconds, and you will see the LED will flash red. Step 5. Now release the button when the LED stops flashing red and the lights turn solid blue. Step 6. Now to finalize, open the door slightly, press the house icon and enter one of the default user codes found on the sticker on the lock's chassis. Method 2. Reset Wi-Fi network only. If you are only changing your home Wi-Fi password or router, you do not need a full factory reset. Step 1 is to open the Schlage Home app on your smartphone. Step 2, now tap the three dots next to your lock's name and select lock settings. Step 3, now go to Wi-Fi settings and from there tap select different network and follow the on-screen prompts to connect to the new Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.